The female blue crab is the main attraction in Charleston's most iconic signature dish, she crab soup. It's a rich combination of spring, crab meat, crab roe, and sherry.
Really good.
She crab soup can be traced to the early 1700s when Scottish settlers arrived in the Carolinas.
It might
They
be
brought their traditional crab fish called tartan brie with them. According to legend, Charleston's Mayor Red asked his butler to create a fancier version of this recipe when President Taft was visiting. The butler added crab roe, which added a rich flavor and a signature bright orange color. At Fleet Landing, executive chef Drew Hedlund and his team stayed true to the original recipe. The restaurant, steeped in history, boasts breathtaking views of Charleston Harbor. It's a 6,000 square foot concrete structure built in the 1940s by the Navy as a place for ships to resupply and for sailors to tomorrow night. Today, she crab soup is the house specialty. Drew starts the process with plenty of heavy cream and milk. While the dairy is brought to a scald, he makes a stock from the crab shells. They're going to add an element of this sweet crab flavor to the soup. Drew stirs in water and bay leaves and brings it to a boil, then strains the stock into a mixture of chopped onions, carrots, and celery, and purees it all together with an immersion blender, nicknamed the boat motor, for obvious reasons. We don't really want any of the vegetables really discernible. We're really more after the flavor. Drew starts a light roux with equal parts butter and flour. Consistency that we're looking for is about the consistency of wet beef salmon. Then he pours the vegetable mixture into the cream soup, along with generous doses of Worcestershire and Tabasco sauces, and a liter of dry sherry. If you spin it, it creates a vortex, and then the air is able to get up down the center, and it shoots right out the bottom of the bottle. Adding in the roux helps the soup thicken as it heats. Just smell the carrots and the celery and the onions. All the ingredients are really playing pretty nicely together. After Drew pours the soup into serving tureens, he tops them off with two signature ingredients. First, the sweet, meaty lump crab. We put it in at the top so it doesn't sink to the bottom, and each guest gets a nice bite of that flavorful crab. And the element that proves this is she crab soup, crab eggs. In an effort to build up dwindling crab population in South Carolina and other coastal states, carefully regulate the harvesting of spawning female crabs. This iconic soup just wouldn't be the same without the flavor of the roe. So now, female crabs are only harvested in season in designated areas, and their eggs are frozen for use year-round. Roe adds a really good crab flavor, and that would be the finishing touch on our she crab. Fleet Landing serves it with even more sherry on the side.
Another thing that was not on here.
Gives the crab flavor a different and distinct taste and gives it some sweetness to it that is spiciness, there's a nice rich creaminess to it, and then you can taste the crab.
It's not too thin or not too big. I really love it. I would get it again and again and again.
Check out my other slime video. That's just slime. Search up FWT031. If you subscribe, you wouldn't have to do that because you're my but if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and also click the notification so you know when I upload and watch. I don't really know how good my sewing will be going by.
Now to pick the seconds. Experience amazing at your Lexus dealer. Those first steps when food meets earth. The river water whispers its secrets to the loblong vines. Branches sway in the breeze, framed by a bright blue sky. And there's that feeling